Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. Today we're going to be using oat groats that I purchased on Amazon.com for $15. There was 5 pounds of them. I'm slowly, as you can see, starting to use them up. I still have a third of the bag. We're going to infuse some strawberries and some kiwis. Now you're not going to put the skin in. And then we're going to give it a little bit of a nice little taste. We're going to add pure vanilla extract to that and a little bit of agave nectar. All this combination will cook in the Instant Pot for approximately 40 minutes. See you in a little bit.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
So plug in your Instant Pot, like I've done here, and make sure that your metal liner is clean. And then put in the water. This is filtered water, but you can use any drinking water that you have. And then get a screen like this and take a cup of oat groats from your bag. What we're going to be doing is washing these in the sink, and you should do this every time you're using something similar like this, oat groats. You just don't know if it's dirty. You just want to get in the habit of doing this. Now it looks like it's coming out of the tap, right? But this entire house is under a filtration system. Every single faucet in the entire house has got good clean water coming out. All right, so then you put this in your Instant Pot. And then the next step is to be able to take care of your fruits. So let's get this bottle out of the way. And what we're going to do, we're simply going to take off the little thing on the top here of the strawberries. Cut them in half, toss them in. Okay. So when I first bought these, they were just pristine. I've been eating in my breakfast cereal every day. And then other fruits needed my attention, like my mangoes and my bananas, so I spent a lot of time eating those. Meanwhile, the strawberries got overripe. And this is the perfect time to be able to do that. Use very, very ripe strawberries. These, toss them in. I already washed these. Oh look, you see? This one got completely away from me, it's no good. They came up with this new rule in California where you have to separate your food waste in a different container. I used to have a compost pile, but since I've been moving, I haven't been able to take care of that. And you know, you just have to deal with stuff. You have to be versatile enough to handle it. To get this done. Just for quick, this is a kiwi. We're going to peel the kiwi to put it inside. since I have you right now before I leave, let's take this right here. This is the, and get a teaspoon of pure vanilla, McCormick, okay. That's it. Let me get the agave nectar. No agave nectar, so we're going to take a tablespoon of maple syrup. Okay, and we're going to put the rest of the fruit in, then we'll lock her up. Okay, so what we're going to do next, all the ingredients are in the Instapot. So we're going to turn it on. First we're going to put the lid on. We're going to make sure the sealing knob over here that I'm playing with is in the middle. For my 6 quart, it's in the middle. The 8 quart should be the same as a 6 quart, but just in case it isn't, just make sure you read your manual so you have it sealed correctly. Then the next thing you need to do is you turn it on, which mine is. You press manual, mine's already at 40 because I've been using a lot of Oat Groats lately. And that's it. And we wait a few minutes for it to turn on. And it starts its cycle from exactly this moment. Then it'll take 5 minutes to come to pressure, it'll cook for 40 minutes, and then it will bring down the steam, and we will let it do natural venting. And that takes about 10-15 minutes. Then what we'll do is we'll store it in this container, let it cool, put it in our freezer bags, and put it away. And it'll be all ready for, since we've been very, very busy, I have all these breakfasts all ready for us. It's getting a little cooler, things are getting better around here, we're getting more rain, life is good. Okay, so we'll see you when we come back. Alright, so the Instapot just stopped. So what we're going to do now is turn off the power and completely unplug it. But it's still got plenty of steam, so what we're going to do is we're going to let it vent naturally. And we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so now the block is dropped. Turn the lid. Closer to see what's happened is the kiwis have changed colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here to cool down. And then once it cools down, then we'll put it in freezer bags and we'll put it away in the freezer for easy breakfast while everything is going on. Okay, now you notice the a lot more liquid than the last batch that I made, but that's okay because of all the ingredients I put into my food. Okay, now we're gonna put this to the side and get an oven mitt. Put this up. And here's the mitt. We let that cool. Put this in the refrigerator and cool it down. Today what we'll be doing is making some Oat Groats that I purchased at Sam. I can't talk today.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.